Remove pandas rows with duplicate indices. How to remove rows with duplicate index values. In the weather data frame below, sometimes a scientist goes back and corrects observations, not by editing the erroneous rows, but by appending a duplicate row to the end of a file. I'm reading some automated weather data from the web. Observations occur every 5 minutes, and compiled into monthly files for each weather station. After parsing a file, the data frame looks like. Example of a duplicate case. And so I need df3 to eventually become. I thought that adding a column of row numbers, df3 roundnum, equals range df3.shape0, would help me select the bottommost row for any value of the datetime index, but I am stuck on figuring out the group underscore by or pivot, or statements to make that work.
I would suggest using the duplicated method on the pandas index itself. While all the other methods work, .drop underscore duplicates is by far the least performant for the provided example. Furthermore, while the groupie method is only slightly less performant, I find the duplicated method to be more readable. Using the sample data provided, note that you can keep the last element by changing the keep argument to last. It should also be noted that this method works with multi-index as well, using df1 as specified in Paul's example.
This adds the index as a data frame column, drops duplicates on that, then removes the new column. Note that the use of .sort underscore index above at the end is as needed and is optional.
Oh my! This is actually so simple. Follow up edit the 29th of October 2013 in the case where I have a fairly complex multi-index. I think I prefer the groupie approach. Here's simple example for posterity. And here's the important part.
Remove duplicates, keeping first. Remove duplicates, keeping last. Tests, 10K loops using ops data.
see more, please consider subscribing.